This video, I will show you exactly how to reinstate a restricted Facebook account. As you can see here, it says that you are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise, and you see account restricted. If you come to the ad manager, you see this red warning saying that you are restricted from advertising. You can't run ads or manage ad accounts. So we have to appeal. And how exactly do we appeal? So first of all, you log into your Facebook. For those who don't know how to log into Facebook, you go to facebook.com. Then you log in. When you log in, you come to the left-hand corner, then you go to Ad Manager. Then when you click on the Ad Manager, it brings you to here. Then from here, you can click on See Details. Or for some of you, if it is not a user restriction, you will see this red warning or See Details. So you come and click on All Tools, and you go to Business Support Home. Previously, it was called Account Quality, but they have changed it to Business Support Home. So you click on Business Support Home. It brings you here. So from here, what you need to do is to start the appeal. But before you start the appeal, what you need to do is to make sure that your name and your birth date and your gender is matching with your details on your ID card. So for example, as you can see here, if you check and your name that is showing here, your username, I'm not talking of the page or business name, this is the user account restriction. So if you are confirming the identity, even if it is an ad account or business manager, they still want you to confirm your identity. If you see confirm identity under the what you can do section, they want you to confirm your identity. And in that case, they want you to confirm the identity of the user. So the user means that you as a person. So you have to make sure that the name, the first and last name on the account is the same as the first and last name on your the document you are using to confirm your identity. And when I say a document, the identity confirmation should be either national identity document, it could be passport, it could be driving license, it could be a voter ID card. You make sure that the first and last name are matching. So if everything is matching, what you need to do is to come here and click on request review. So when you click on request review, it will ask you to get started. So you click on get started. They will ask you to make sure that you confirm you are the one. So you click on I am not a robot. Then you click continue. They will ask you to confirm the phone number. So you click on the phone number to confirm. So you put a code and also click on continue. Then they'll ask you to upload an image of yourself. You put a picture of yourself. Make sure that your picture is in the middle and you actually are is well placed. So after that, you click continue. So they will ask you to continue to request a review. So you click on continue. They will ask you the reason why you are requesting the review. So you click on another reason. Then you add a letter, just like what I wrote here. I said, dear Facebook, my Facebook user account is restricted. It is a big blow to my business because the core of my business depends on Facebook ads to sell. I am told that this account that violate our advertising policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad view process, or participating in a fraudulent behavior or associating with untrustworthy account. I know this is definitely a mistake because I have read all the policies and I can see that I haven't violated any of them. Please review my account and reinstate it for me because I have no any intention to violate your policies. I'm only trying to promote my business. Then you click on send, then you click close. It will say review requested. Okay, so we are reviewing your Facebook account to determine if it was correctly restricted from advertising. We will notify you within 48 hours from when we requested the review. You can also track the status of this in support inbox. So just wait and check within 48 hours. You are going to, definitely the account is going to be reinstated. So you just take time and then wait within 48 hours and see what will happen. I believe if you follow this process, you are going to get your account reinstated. If you follow it and you don't get a solution, please remember to leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link to contact us and we'll be able to help you get your account reinstated. We charge very affordable fees for reinstating account. We also set ad campaigns. So you can also contact us and we'll be able to set effective ad campaigns that can help you really make good sales. Because some of you run advert and you don't make sales. You just keep on pumping money and not getting the needed result you're looking for. We will help you get all that. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more other powerful videos. Bye-bye.